Hello, my lovely kids. I'm your Kavita ma'am, class teacher of UKG, and today I am going to teach you maths. And in maths, I will tell you subtraction. Children, when you take away objects from a group or collection and count how many are left, that is called subtraction. See, 6 butterflies are here and 2 flew away. How many are left? 4. Yes, 4 butterflies are left. Children, this is your maths book, and as you know, our topic is subtraction. The concept of subtraction is taken away some numbers from a collection or comparison between two collections of some things. We find the leftover by subtraction. Children, as I told you, when we take numbers or things from a collection, we find the leftover by subtraction. See, look and understand. 5 rabbits in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rabbits are here. 2 ran away. 2 rabbits ran away. 5 minus 2. 1 and 2. 2 rabbits ran away. How many are left? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 3 rabbits left. Now practice session. Subtract the objects and fill the boxes. Subtract the objects and fill in the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 kites are here. This is the sign of minus. We use the minus sign when we write a subtraction problem. 3 kites we take away. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. We take away 3 kites. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mobiles are here. Subtract 2 mobile. Take away 2 mobiles from here. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mobiles are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 birds are there in this collection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left? 2. 1, 2. 2 birds are left. Like this, we will solve some more problems. Subtract across. With the help of lines, we will solve it. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Now we will solve it. 8 minus 1. Draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Minus 1. Take away 1 line and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left? 7. Right here 7. Like this, 3 lines we will draw. 1, 2, 3 and we will take 2 lines from it. How many are left? 1 is left. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we will cut 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? Nothing is left. We will write here 0. 3 minus 2. Draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 and cut 2 lines. 1 is left. Write here 1. Like this you will complete this page. Page number 48. Next page is 49. Subtract down. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. With the help of lines, we will solve it. 3, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, we will cut 1 line. How many are left? 1, 2. 4 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is here. We will draw 4 lines and 2. We will cut 2 lines. 2 lines are left. 5 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 are left. Our result is 4. 6 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Our result will be 4. 7 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 2. Cut 2 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our result is 5. 8 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 9 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this, you will complete this page also. Page number 49. Understood? Children, now we will do subtraction in our maths copy. And first, we will write here date. And after date, we will skip 1, 2, 3 and 4 boxes and write here heading S U B T R A C T I O N. Subtraction. And here CW. Now leave 3 boxes from our heading. Heading is here and count 1, 2, 3 and we will write from here, but we will start first sum from second line. 6 minus 2. This is the sign of subtraction, minus. And after that, we will draw 6 lines because 6 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And 2 is here. So we will cut 2 lines from these lines. and count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 4. Yes, our answer is 4. Now leave 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and write from here. 3 minus 0. Draw 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3, and 0 is written here. So we will not cut any line from here. How many are left? 1, 2 and 3. We will write here 3. Leave 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and write here 8 minus 3. Draw here 8 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and cut 3 lines from here. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Our answer is 5. Now leave 4 boxes from here also, 1, 2, 3, 4 and start writing from here. Write 7 minus 7. Draw 7 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7 minus 7, we will cut 7 lines from here. How many are left? Nothing is left. We will write here 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 boxes we will skip and write from here 5 minus 4. Draw 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and cut 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 is left, right? 1. 1 is our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, leave 4 boxes and write here 9 minus 2. Draw 9 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because 9 is written here, we will draw 9 lines and we will cut 2 lines from here. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 is our answer. Like this you will complete your work in your maths copy in very good handwriting. Okay.